Okay. Answer the following questions. First question. What do you know about our Earth? Write a short note.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
What do
listening,
you
boys.
know about our Earth? Write a short note.
Who will tell
Our
me?
Earth is. Yes, ma'am. I say
Yes, beta, speak. Start. Our Earth is from here you
our
have to start it.
first a small ball detached from the sun and from where?
Hmm. 10.
The small ball has detached from the sun, which later came to be known as Earth. At the time of origin, the Earth was in form of fireball. Slowly, the fireball started cooling down. Many stages. Many elements transformed into liquid form were known as hydrosphere, and the elements transformed into solid form are known as lithosphere. The few elements were transformed into gaseous are known as bioatmosphere.
The living world which developed due to land, water and air came to be known as biosphere. Yes. Next question. How much time was taken by the Earth to reach its present after form after being detached from the sun? Why?
मैम ये आपको कॉल पीडीएफ दोगे ना लेसन नंबर 3 की।
Lesson number 2 I have sent it beta.
हाँ सेंड पहले से ही सेंड भेज दिया।
On Monday I have signed it beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second question who will tell? Anyone? From here you have
मैम
to write.
which question?
Huh? Second question.
यस आई
Start.
मैम वो एल क्यू या एस क्यू शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन से लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन से।
LQ है बेटा.
ओके ओके मैम राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन लिथोस्फीयर।
Not that. His question beta. See.
कौन से?
How much time was taken by the Earth to reach its present after form after being detached from the sun? Why? Can you see second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start. Same way only. After the collision, the Earth came into its origin form because it was in the form of fireball. Yes, and it was detached to the sun. Got it?
Detached from the sun.
Yes. Third, how are the spheres of Earth interrelated?
That means
How are the spheres of Earth interrelated? Tell me how they are interrelated. Lithosphere is interrelated on the basis of the land, hydro by water, atmo by elements of gases, and biosphere due to land. All the living beings are living beings, microorganisms, water, and air that all came into the existence. Got it? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Next, filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. Number one.
There are totally less spheres on the earth.
Four spheres on the earth.
Four.
One by one.
Four.
One by one. Four.
Four.
Good. Second.
Lithosphere covers
Lithosphere
approximately
covers
71% of
approximately
the Sun,
Please say you will
29%
Ma'am,
speak.
of the surface of
29.
the Earth,
29.
and
I don't
29.
want to revise only. Wait.
The
Third.
most prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is dash,
Ma'am,
water
water.
vapor.
Very good. Fourth.
Ma'am, what is prominent?
Hydros-
At last, I will tell you. Fourth.
hydrosphere, hydrosphere made of water makes up dash percent of the surface of the Earth,
11.
71%.
11%.
97% of the surface of the earth. No, 70.
71.
Dash gas
Fifth.
absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ozone.
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 Ozone. Okay. Sufyan, speak all the five.
Yes, there are totally four spheres on the earth.
Second.
Lithosphere covers approximately 29% of the surface of the earth. The most prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is water. Hydrosphere made of water makes up 71% of the surface of the earth. Ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays. Farhan, mic on पर
Mute your mic. Third. Give the meaning of the following terms. Lithosphere.
Lithosphere. Litho means rock and sphere means layer.
Okay. This also you have to speak it.
And lithosphere, the all soil and solid particles on the earth are called lithosphere.
The sun after details.
What?
Lithosphere. After the
Lithosphere.
collision of the
Yes.
after the collision of the earth, the earth was in the form of fireball, and then after it converted into the solid form. That's why it
Some
is called
elements
lithosphere.
form
Litho means soil
the
and rock.
solid.
Sphere means layer. Now, who will speak this repetition of this lithosphere?
Am I?
Start.
At the time of the evolution of the earth was in the form of fireball. Some elements of the earth transformed into solid forms are called lithosphere. Litho means rock and sphere means layer.
Very nice. Next is hydrosphere. I will tell you after you speak. Oh, beta. After the collision of the earth, it was in the form of fireball. It transformed into the liquid form. That's why it is called hydrosphere. Hydro means water and sphere means layer. Next, hydrosphere start.
हाइड्रोस्फीयर मैम पहले से ऐसे ही रीड करना है फायरबॉल वाला
Yes, start.
the at the evolution of the earth was in the form of a fireball. Later, the some elements which are got transformed into liquid form are known as hydrosphere. Hydro means water and sphere means air.
Next, atmosphere.
At the time of the evolution of the earth was in the form of fireball. Some elements were transformed into
Gaseous form.
gaseous form. Gaseous form are known as atmosphere.
Okay, next, biosphere.
Yes, ma'am. Biosphere. All the all the spheres come together and make biosphere. Lithosphere,
Hmm.
hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Where organism can live is called biosphere.
That is living beings. Living beings.
What type of
Living beings.
living thing?
Water and all the things. Okay, pollution. Pollution.
Yes, ma'am. Pollution. नहीं पता.
Pollution. Stick.
What?
Pollution. The unwanted things which are polluted in the nature are called pollution. That definition I will share you in your PDF last test. Got it? Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Next, fourth, true or false. The Earth is a member of the solar family.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am is not true. Answer is true. Next, the proportion of water on the surface of the Earth
Bali,
is
ma'am,
less
Bali.
than the proportion of the land.
False.
False.
Okay, then with whose proportion is highest?
Water's proportion is higher.
Third,
True.
Fresh water
read the
is
question and
of
speak true.
hydrosphere. False.
Perfect practical. True.
True.
Ma'am, because the fresh water is a gift of the earth.
ऐसा है?
Yes.
I am not knowing. Who will tell me? Is it true or false? Tell me, confirm it and tell me.
True.
Okay, how many boys are telling true and how many are telling false?
Me, true.
True. Me.
True. True.
True.
True.
Okay.
Oxygen
Next,
dilutes
fourth.
nitrogen. False.
True, true.
False.
False. False.
Dilutes
Then
means
who dilutes nitrogen?
False.
ma'am, dilutes का मतलब क्या होता है?
You are not knowing. Dilute you are not knowing.
No. No.
We mix it and it is properly dissolved. That is called
Well, in liquid form.
dilution.
Yes.
Got it?
It is true.
No,
Who
false.
will tell?
True.
Confirm and tell me.
False.
Dilute oxygen. Not oxygen.
False.
hydrogen.
False.
Because
Okay,
they
wait.
are
I
not.
will be sure. Okay, wait.
Wait, boys.
नहीं, ma'am, ये
For the
true है.
recipient, you have to speak.
Because
See,
Second line.
from here, what you gases like oxygen and nitrogen keeps the living creatures on the earth. Nitrogen reduces the intensity of oxygen. Water is the component in important component in the atmosphere. So what it will come? See, from this, what you will be understanding? True or false?
true. False.
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 Very good.
False.
Okay. So 1 to 4, true or false? Who will be speaking?
Yan.
Yes, ma'am, I will see. The Earth is a member of solar family. True. The proportion of water on the surface of the Earth is less than the proportion of land. True.
False.
False, yes. The fresh water is a gift of hydrosphere. True. Oxygen dilutes hydrogen. False.
Very good. So over here we have completed our chapters textual exercise. Okay, boys.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I will be asking you questions. How many spheres are there on the earth?
There are four spheres, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere.
Okay, next. What is lithosphere and which
Lithium
things are included?
Litho means rock and sphere
lithium
means
is rock
layer.
and sphere means layer.
One by one.
At the time of evolution of the earth was in the form of firewood. Later, the earth, some elements transformed into some elements
Transformation.
transformed into solid particles are known as lithosphere. And this
Litho
is
means?
the माइक में से कोयल का आवाज आ रहा है.
Litho means?
Lithium is layer rock
Yes. And sphere means?
layer.
Layer.
Good. Okay, which are the things included in the lithosphere?
And glaciers, vapors, and etc.
Mountains, plateaus, see, mountains, plateaus, plains, and valleys are seen in the on the lithosphere. Okay, what is
And
magma?
plateaus means
Hmm?
plateaus.
Hmm?
Plateaus means plateaus.
All the three sides covered by the seas are called plateaus.
Now all the sides covered by what?
Water bodies.
नहीं मैम वो तो island हुआ. All the sides covered with the water body. It is
Okay,
island.
then you find it and tell me, oh, beta. Ma'am is telling you wrong, beta.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, what is magma?
Magma is the rock, molten rock.
Molten rock in the interior of the earth are known as magma.
Okay, nice. What will break down and what starts erupting?
Volcano starts erupting.
And
Blood
crust,
breaks and volcano erupts.
when the balance between two will be not maintained. Yes. Next. Which is the liquid component of the earth? Which is the liquid component of the earth? Boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the liquid component of the earth? Hydrosphere. Which is the liquid component of the earth?
Hydrosphere.
Which are the water bodies included in the hydrosphere?
Which are the
Water bodies included in the hydrosphere. Ocean, sea, lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Got it? What is known as an
yes,
ocean?
yes,
Oceans, meaning of ocean. Meaning of ocean. A water body in
Large
hydrosphere
saltwater water body.
that carries a huge amount of water is known as ocean. Which are the four oceans in the world?
Atlantic Ocean,
Pacific Ocean,
Pacific
Atlantic
Ocean,
Ocean, Arctic Ocean,
Indian Ocean,
Okay. What what are sea, gulf, bays, strait?
what?
What are seas, bays, gulfs, and straits?
Gulf. Seas
What is
are
the meaning of
small
sea?
saltwater bodies.
Close to the land are known as.
Sea.
Okay. What is belly?
Very high. Hard.
Valleys with depth of 10 to 11 kilometers are located at their bottom are called valleys. Okay.
Valley.
How much percentage of the earth is of ocean?
97%.
Okay. One third proportion is
Ocean.
no ice caps
Third
and
portion is kept in ice caps and glaciers.
okay. Okay. What is fresh water?
Sweet water.
Fresh water,
Not
liquid
sweet water.
water,
Wait a night.
living beings,
The water which we can drink,
with living beings, eat for
which comes
drinking.
from rivers, ponds, etc.
Who told you
And
it comes
rain.
from rivers?
No, only rivers. Rain,
It
rain.
comes from the rain.
Yeah.
Main source is rain only.
Yes.
Okay. What are the utilities use of oceans?
The use of oceans are valuable chemicals, minerals, salt, fishes, etc. found in the oceans or seas.
Atmosphere. Characteristics of atmosphere. Chalo. Characteristics of atmosphere. It is
Atmosphere is colorless, odorless, and transparent. Unlike lithosphere and hydrosphere, atmosphere cannot be seen with the naked eye.
Sufyan, there
It
is so much
extends
disturbance from your mic.
Sufyan, so much disturbance
stop.
from your mic.
Now you don't speak, beta. How much
And
far?
what
How
suppose
much
all
it
your
is
time?
extended? How much kilometer it is extended from the surface of the earth?
1500 kilometers.
Very nice. How much percentage is a nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases on the earth?
What man?
How much percentage is nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases?
Nitrogen is 71%, oxygen is 51%, and other gases is 1%.
Okay, who
I'm
is
a
this?
Farhan. And it's Farhan.
ये फरहान कर रहा है.
Yes, man, Farhan Farhan.
Now you don't do, huh, beta? Okay, which gas proportion is small in the air?
Nitrogen.
Ozone. Okay, what is biosphere?
The part of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere where the living world
Sufyan,
exists
તારું
is
mic
called
mute રાખ.
biosphere.
Okay. and it is one of the most important sphere of the.
Mapa biosphere.
What does it include?
Living and non-living things.
No. Vegetation, animals, insects, and human beings. How many parts it is divided?
Two,
Okay, which two?
non-living and living.
What are living things and non-living things?
Living things and non-living things are organisms, right? Non-living things are which do not have life, are
And
called
living things?
non-living. Living things which have life and which can walk, breathe, everything. It is called living things. Yes.
Examples of living things and non-living things.
Human,
Human beings,
animals,
animals,
trees,
trees,
microorganisms,
plants, etc. Non-living things.
ants, insects,
Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, wood, etc. Non-living things.
Okay, effects on human activities on sphere due to harmful activities. Yesterday only we learned.
Am I saying?
and what?
Huh?
What?
Harmful activities which is affecting on the earth by human.
I'm guiding
Ultrasound
Chilana.
nuclear testing and too much drilling for mineral oil and excessive drilling of tube wells affects
Burning,
the lithosphere and causes an imbalance.
and then uh, गाड़ी चलाना.
Hey,
It's
don't speak in Hindi. Stop.
pollution. Pollution.
Okay. Then, due to the pollution of industries, all the marine life are also affected.
Destroyed.
By cutting the trees, carbon dioxide is very less on the surface of
Increase
the earth. So this way, it will be affecting all
lithosphere,
the spheres
hydrosphere,
of the earth.
atmosphere.
Okay, clear?
Clear.
Clear everything? This chapter clear. So tomorrow, from
Man
tomorrow, we will be
clear.
starting
Man
with
clear.
chapter number 3.
Bye.
Chapter number 3 we will be starting from tomorrow.
Okay, what will we do now?
That is our constitution. That is our constitution civics part. Okay. Got it, boys?
મેટર છે એની અને એની પાસે અત્યારે કંઈક